Good afternoon, gentlemen. Afternoon. We are here at the second day of the £500 Santa Pod birthday challenge, and we have Matt and Trev and Jeff from Lloyd's Mechanical Marvels. We have Mr. Coleman from Lloyd's Mechanic and Mr. Richardson from Furious Driving. We all made it here this morning, although we have been waiting a couple of hours for the track to dry out, which is just kind of what happens.
3 hours, Joe.
It's not 3 hours, sir. It's about 2. But as we can see, we've got the Hyundai's all ready. The front styling's not changed overnight, unfortunately, but never mind. Camera mount is ready. Furious Driving sticker is in. The arches haven't changed either. The Rover is well, it's a bit dirty, and we've got this wonderful winter tyre on there that will help the drag strip and no end. The dad's still there though. Margot, the Renault 11, she's looking okay. I think she might have already been sold actually. Somebody seems to be expressing a lot of interest in this particular little car. Maybe that's hardly surprising. We've got loads of other cars here as well. We've got lots of modified minis. We've got this sort of Chevy truck in the background. We'll just come and have a look at that later. But yeah, literally, when Santa Pod is like this, it is a little bit on the frustrating side, and you know, you just got to wait while they drive a track out. So, gentlemen, can I get your opinions about what your chances are today? Mr. Coleman, what do you think is going to be happening on track today in the Renault?
A big fire.
Crash. Let's hope not, sir.
You still want to sell it, right?
Well, you know.
So Jeff and Trev and Matt, what do you think is going to be happening with the Celica today?
We're going to win, and we're probably going to blow up.
Yeah, 10-second car. 10-second car.
10-second car.
Yeah.
That's fighting talk there. And Mr. Richardson, what do you think?
Three things will happen. I'll blow a tyre, I'll lose a cam belt, or I'll win, and then you'll owe me a 10-second car.
Right. Okay. With a Rover, I'm not going to speculate.
I reckon we'll get 15 seconds. That's
15 seconds is pretty good. I'm aiming for 18 seconds personally in this. Hyundai, I don't. Nobody knows.
I'm thinking Trev's seen Integras, which have roughly similar horsepower and roughly similar weight, do 13s or 14s.
Yeah.
So we might push a 14 if the track is suitably dry.
Well, they don't let you go on it unless it's actually properly dry. They just don't let you go out. Which is why
Renault's probably going to do a 35.
you're going to take it easy, aren't you?
Are you limping the half of the way then?
No, I'm not pushing the rest.
Heat to the halfway mark.
Yeah.
Yes, and of course, yesterday the video was filmed by Laurie's camera, so that's not going to be up for a little bit. But Laurie is not here. He's not here with us, gentlemen. He's been taken to the other side by a train.
Yep.
So he's
normal lorry stuff.
Yeah, we're used to it now.
yeah, it happens all the time, doesn't it?
Train.
Yeah. Well, there we go. He might be joining.
Lorries too.
He might be coming along a bit later. Obviously, he's not really missing anything in the moment because we're just in the queue, so there's not much going on.
But all of the lights going off.
Yeah. So obviously, yesterday you chaps actually won the economy challenge.
Somehow.
Yes,
You saw it
74 miles per gallon. 74.
And 190 horsepower.
Yeah, and you used like 1.1 litres or something insane.
Just under 1.2.
Yeah, to do 19 miles, which isn't much. And then yours was 51 point something.
55, didn't you? 51.1.
51 point something.
No, I'm sure the tape will say.
No, it's 50. No,
Coming up.
I did the calculations myself,
I
Mr.
think we did
Richardson.
78 miles per gallon actually. How much nearer 60? I think I was at 8.
It doesn't matter. The points are the same. It's not going to make any difference. Mr. Coleman had one or two problems yesterday, so he still got his points. That's all we can say. Yes, and then I did 28 miles per gallon in the Rover. Thank you to the automatic gearbox for providing me such amazing economy, and that was it really. So that video will go up at some point, and we'll have to wait for a little bit later when we do a track out, and then we'll have some more exciting action from Santa Pod. And then yeah, once obviously all this is over, we'll be selling the cars, unless Mr. Coleman's already sold his. Haven't you already sold yours as well?
Potentially, yeah.
Potentially. Well, only a couple to sell then. Right, so don't forget to subscribe to Laurie's Mechanical Marvels, Furious Driving, Rubbish Mechanic, and of course Lloyd the Consulting to be kept up with all the amazing Santa Pod action. Thank you ever so much indeed once again for watching.